Special thanks to the Taiwan Tourism Administration for the free accommodation and vouchers. Taiwan is visa-free for Filipinos till July. Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, I'll show you 2 affordable hotels in XIMENDING, Taiwan. XIMENDING, often referred to as the Harajuku of Taipei, is a vibrant and bustling shopping district in the Wanhua district of Taipei, Taiwan. It's a pedestrian-friendly zone, making it enjoyable to explore on foot. XIMENDING is easily accessible via the Taipei Metro Ximen station, making it a convenient base for exploring the city. Hotels closer to the Ximen MRT station will offer the most convenience. Tip: getting an Easy Card will make using public transportation very simple. Using an Easy Card also gives you a discount on train fares. You may buy your Easy Card via Klook and pick it up upon arrival at the airport. Use the code JAZDDICKLOOK to get 5% off. If you don't have Klook yet, download the app and use code SNH64 to get 250 pesos off. XIMENDING offers a range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly hostels to mid-range hotels and boutique hotels. Hub Hotel Ximen Inn is located in the heart of XIMENDING, Taipei. We stayed in Hub Hotel Kaohsiung before, so we decided to try their branch in XIMENDING. Here's a room tour. You can book your hotels via Klook. Use voucher code JAZDDICKLOOK to get a discount. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, a 24-hour front desk, and a self-service laundry. They also provide unlimited complimentary coffee, water, bread, and snacks at the reception. The coffee machine offering UCC coffee products was easy to use. You can also book your tours at the hotel reception desk, but we usually book our tours via Klook. Use JAZDDICKLOOK to get a discount. We got a glimpse of the Taipei 101 from our room's balcony. We went to Taipei 101 on our last day in Taipei. Stay tuned for that video. The hotel is close to shops, restaurants, and is a short walk from the Ximen MRT station. The Carrefour supermarket, popular for affordable pasalubong, was just a short walk away. Carrefour is open 24 hours, so you can buy your groceries or pasalubong anytime. There are also many convenience stores near the hotel. Taiwan convenience stores are also known for their wide variety of food options. We also got to try the Chengdu 111 Business Hotel in XIMENDING. Located just a block away from the Hub Hotel, Chengdu 111 Business Hotel is newer. Given a 4.9 out of 5 review score by travelers, this hotel in XIMENDING is conveniently located near Ximen Station Exit 6. It offers a quieter experience in the lively XIMENDING area. It is also walking distance to restaurants and convenience stores. hotel offers self-check-in via this machine, which was easy to use. Unlike the Hub Hotel, which offers free coffee, the Chengdu 111 Hotel only has free tea, but there's a microwave which you can use to reheat your takeaway food. Here's a room tour. The rooms are clean and spacious with modern amenities. You can check out anytime using this machine too. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour, and I hope you'll have the chance to visit Taipei in person soon.
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.